Have you ever considered how many emails you send out each day? Now, imagine each email is a chance to leave a lasting impression. Unfortunately, many businesses miss out on this simple yet powerful tool, the email signature. It's not just about delivering your contact information, it's your closing argument, your digital handshake. Without a consistent and well-designed email signature, you risk appearing unprofessional or forgettable. Think about an email with just a plain best or thanks at the end. It's a missed opportunity. Each email could reinforce your brand, increase your visibility, and even drive more traffic to your website. But when it's overlooked, you blend into the crowd. That's where Expect Best comes in. We specialize in creating custom email signatures that encapsulate the essence of your brand. Plus, our work ensures you leave a memorable mark with every email you send. By integrating your logo, social media links, and even promotions, we can turn every sign-off into an effective marketing tool. So let's make every email count and showcase your professionalism with style. Ready to elevate your email game? Contact us today, and we'll start crafting a unique email signature that speaks volumes.